welcome back to my channel, Math and Language, and we're going to discuss how to calculate consumer and producer surplus. So, if the market equilibrium is not yet given, and if you're asked to find for the consumer and producer surplus, you need to find the market equilibrium first. So, if you don't have the market equilibrium, of course, they will be giving you these two equations, the quantity demanded and the quantity supplied. So, remember in my previous video, you have to equal these two equations to each other. So 600 minus 2p is equal to 4p. Now you have to find the value of p. So this is basic algebra. Will be 6p. P is equal to 100. So we can change this one to 100. And we need to find for q. So again, if you remember in the last video, we just have to substitute the price to either of the two equations. So I'll just substitute it to qs here. So that will be US is equal to 4 times 100. That will be 400. Cool. U star is 400. Because we already have the market equilibrium, the price, the P star and Q star, we can now find the consumer and producer surplus. Now, where is the consumer surplus? Consumer surplus, it is the area above the price but below the demand curve, which is this one. And for the producer surplus, that is the area below the price but above the supply curve, which is the blue one. Producer, surplus, and consumer. Now, to find the area, we need to, the area is area of the triangle is base times height over 2. So we need this one and this one. Now to find this one, you can see that demand curve is already here. Need to find the p-intercept. We have to set QD to 0. So QD is to 0. Let me just move it. So 0 is equal to 600 minus 2p, and that will be basic algebra. P is 300. So this one is 300. And let's find this one for the producer surplus. We just have to set QS to 0. So 0 is equal to 4p, and we know that p is 0. So this one is 0. Now, because we have this one and this one, we can now find the area of the triangle. So this is a triangle for the consumer surplus. So 300 to 100, that will be around, the height will be 200. And the base, this one, you can see that's 400. 400. Now, base times height, okay, 200 times 400 divided by 2 is equal to 40,000. Okay. Now, if the price is in dollars, of course, this will be in dollars also. The consumer surplus will be $40,000. Now, how about, okay, I'll just put orange here, $40,000 for the consumer surplus. Now, how about for the producer surplus? We know that this is 100 and this is 0. So, of course, we know that the height will be 100. And the base, that's 400 also. So that will be 100 times 400 divided by 2. That will be 40,000 divided by 2. That will be 20,000. Okay. So the producer surplus is $20,000. You have to put dollars also. If, of course, if the price is in dollars. And again, to summarize, if you want to find or if you want to calculate consumer and producer surplus, you have to find the market equilibrium first. So you can find the P star and Q star. And to get this one, the P-intercept, you have to set QD and QS to 0, and find the value. Okay? And of course, the area of the triangle is base times height over 2. Just be careful. You have to check first. This is 100 and this is 300. Of course, the height will be 200. You get the distance. Okay. And that's the end of the lesson on how to calculate consumer and producer surplus. If you have questions or in need of clarifications, please like and subscribe, and also click the bell notification so you will be updated on my future videos about math and language. I'll see you again. Please support educational content. Thank you. Bye.